I'm Sheikh Johar and I represent the Bohra community here in Dhaka. I'm representative of His Holiness Sayyidina Sahib from India. And all my brothers here, the Dawoodi Bohra community, they are from, basically the roots are from Gujarat. But they are Bangladeshi nationals and they stay here in Bangladesh. They are citizens. And we came here to convey the regards and salams of His Holiness Sayyidina Sahib to PM Modi. And we were thinking since morning, how will it all go? Because it's the pandemic and Corona, and it's Modi Sahib's first visit in a year. So how will it all go? There'll be distance, there'll be protocol. How will we meet him? But when he came from his car, he was a very humble person. He left the red carpet and he came directly to the people and he started greeting the people and talking with them. We came to greet him, but he was greeting the people. And then he talked to us and we conveyed Sayyidina Sahib's salams to him and we gave him a shawl. He wore the shawl and he conversed with us in Gujarati and he conveyed his salams for Sayyidina.
What was the conversation in Gujarati? It would be interesting if you can read.
ગુજરાતીમાં એમ કહ્યું કે સૈયદના સાહેબનો મારો સલામ આપજો. સૈયદના સાહેબનો સલામ તો મને આવતો જ રહે છે. So we were so happy that he's so connected with Sayyidina Sahib, he's so connected with each and everyone. And we requested him that Sayyidina Sahib has not come to Bangladesh for 30 years. So could he represent the Bohra community and put forth our request to the Bangladeshi government to enable Sayyidina Sahib's visit? So he agreed on our request.
That's very interesting because Sayyidina Sahib is the spiritual guru of the Dawoodi Bohra community. We know that he's based out of Gujarat, and that's why I think this request to the Prime Minister that he should be helping facilitate his visit to Dhaka. उसके अलावा आप लोगों की कोई और डिमांड्स हैं जो आपने रखा प्रधानमंत्री को?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं रखा, बट our main objective was to congratulate him and thank him for coming here and sharing this auspicious occasion with us. ये 50th हम लोग के लिए बहुत proud moment है Bangladeshis के लिए. As a proud Bangladeshi, I can say that we are very happy Modi ji has come here and graced us in spite of this corona situation. So हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं and we hope that our friendship between the two countries will grow stronger and will help connect between the people even better.
Thank you so much. So you see, this is one aspect of Prime Minister's today visit to Dhaka in Bangladesh. The people-to-people connect, and the fact that there was a Gujarat element also, I think helps underscore the depth of relationship that is there between the two nations. With video journalist Surendra Rawat, this is Abhishek Kapoor reporting from Dhaka for Republic Media Network.